This is Badoo app. You can download it from Google Play. I will provide the link of this application under my video description. Let's open it. When you open it, so the interface of this application will be like this. Do you want to use Badoo app premium features for free? If your answer is yes, then this video is definitely for you. Badoo is a dating app. Here you can create a serious relationship, you can make friends, you can chit chat, and you can do lots of fun here. So let me show you the proof that these features I have unlocked for free. And in this video, I will teach you how you can unlock all premium features of Badoo. So stay focused on this video. If you want to send messages for free, if you want to send likes for free, so you can do it after watching this video. Hello folks, and welcome to my channel Technical DHSN. In this video, I will teach you how you can use the premium features of Badoo app. Badoo is a dating app and it is very famous all over the world. People are using for creating relationships and contacts with each other. Here you can find also serious relationship, and if you want to make friends and blah blah blah. So let's start. First of all, I'll show you, or I'll give you the proof that Badoo is a premium app and all features. If you want to use the features of Badoo, so you will must pay before the use. So as you can see, four ladies sent me message. They are like me from here. This is like. So they are like, they sent me a like message. Now if I want to send back like message to them, so let's click on one. As you can see, Badoo asked me money, and I will must subscribe for any of these plan. Okay, now you can check the premium plus option also, and you can check the premium also. So let's make it free. Create your profile on Badoo, or if you have already a profile on Badoo app, and open profile. Open your profile, and from here open setting, and from here account, and from here delete account, and here select the option delete account. Now tap on continue. As you can see, the message has been pop up. Free Badoo premium. This is Badoo offering you that don't delete your account. Stay just 3 more days and we will give you Badoo premium, so you can see everything Badoo offers deal. It means that you can use Badoo for free for 3 days only. So you can make many IDs, like in one ID you spend 3 days and create another account for 3 days, just like this, and use for free how much you want, but you need to create account first. So like this, you can use Badoo app for free. All features will be free, and take advantage of this option. I'm sure guys This will be very interesting for you. Let me click on free Badoo Premium. Now tap on OK. As you can see now, the features has been unlocked. Now if I go back and click on chat, so let's try to, as you can see, boom guys, these ladies were sent me message before as well. As you can see, the pictures were upskirt. So now it's clear, as you can see. So now you can use like this Badoo app for free for 3 days. I'm sure guys this will be very interesting for you. Let me check this woman. Who's this? Everything. Now I can send also a message, as you can see. Boom guys, my message has been sent. So like this more interesting videos and more tips and tricks, you can check my channel and you can check my playlist of channel. There are a lot of technical and interesting videos, and for more interesting videos you have to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will not miss an update of my new uploaded videos. I'll upload more interesting videos on daily basis. You can check my videos about mobile tips and tricks, PC and laptop tips and tricks, and I'm sure that all will be helpful for you. So in this video, this was a short method how to use Badoo app for free. Take care guys, until the next video.